Drake has cultivated a very strong and multifaceted brand, extending far beyond his music. Here is a breakdown of key elements. OVO is perhaps Drake's most recognizable brand. It encompasses of OVO Sound, a record label, and OVO Clothing, a streetwear fashion brand. OVO represents a lifestyle and aesthetic associated with Drake's personal style and Toronto's roots. Other ventures includes a collaboration with Nike for Nocta sneakers, investments in Virginia Black Whiskey, and 100 Thieves, an esports and gaming organization. Drake's personal brand is built on a combination of authenticity by often sharing his personal life in his music. Luxury. He is known for his appreciation of high-end fashion, cars, and lifestyle. Cultural influence. He is a trendsetter, influencing fashion, music, and language.